5 facts about YouTube in a minute. YouTube was originally designed to be a dating site. Most people don't know the original concept of YouTube and that it was designed to be a dating platform. The original idea was that people will send video introduction of themselves describing who they are and their interests, and the viewers who share the same interests can respond with a video of their own. Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion just a year and a half after it launched. Google bought the site in November 2006. As of October 2020, YouTube is the second most popular website in the world behind Google according to Alexa Internet. There are 98 versions of YouTube. After all the success around the world, YouTube created regional country-specific versions to make it easier for people to find contents more relevant to them by prioritizing contents made in certain languages, and makes it easier for content creators to spread their reach within audience that will mostly respond to them. More people watch YouTube than cable. With the rise of the internet contents, YouTube has a considerably larger reach than cable, which is not a good news for telecommunication companies. We watch about 5 billion videos per day. This number is astronomical, and this video is 1 minute out of the 5 billion videos, and I appreciate you staying till the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to support this new channel. We upload videos daily.